There is a giant hole in the tablet market, and for 3 years, we've been waiting for Apple to fill it. The rumors aren't just whispers anymore. They are full-blown rumor. The iPad mini M5 is coming, and it's not just a minor refresh. It is a complete fundamental shift in what a small form factor device is allowed to do. The adder felt that the iPad Pro was too big for the deal to carry, that your phone is a little too small to get real work done. You are currently looking at the most important tech release of 2026. This is the machine that finally merges the portability of a Kindle with the raw, unbridled power of a MacBook Pro. Let's be real about the iPad mini's history. For years, Apple treated it like the forgotten middle child. It would go years ago in Milte, stuck with aging screens and processors that felt like an afterthought. But something changed. With the explosion in Apple Intelligence and the demand for high-end mobile gaming, the small tablet isn't a niche anymore. It's a necessity. The iPad mini M5 is Apple's answer to a world that wants desktop power and pocket freeing. The headline, the thing that is going to make you want to throw your current tablet out the window, is the M5 chip. We are talking about these series mobile chips owned in iPhones. We are talking about a full-blown desktop class M5 silicon. This chip features the new super-core architecture designed to handle multi-threaded professional workloads without breaking a sweat. In 2026, Apple has finally perfected the thermal required to put an M chip inside this tiny 8-inch chassis. Imagine wanting the full instance of Final Cut Pro or Logic Pro on a device you can hold in one hand while staying off their play. We are looking at a 30% jump in CPU performance over the previous generation and a GPU that is literally 4 times faster when it comes to AI tests. And that brings us to Apple Intelligence. The iPad mini M5 isn't just a tablet. It's a decade AI workstation. With a 16-core neural engine on the M5, this device can process local language models faster than almost any laptop on the market. Whether it's real-time voice translation, advanced image generation by InFlyPound, or a version of Siri that aptly understands context and your personal data, the M5 Mini is built to be your digital assistant. It's no longer about apps. It's about intent. You tell the Mini what you want to achieve, and the M5 does the heavy lifting in the background. Power is nothing without a window to see through. For years, many fans have complained about jelly scrolling and the limitations of LCD. The ends know. The iPad mini M5 is widely expected to debut the 8.3-inch Ultra Retina XDR OLED display. This isn't just a better screen. It is the better screen. Utilizing Tandem OLED technology, where 2 layers of OLED are stacked to increase brightness and longevity. Apple has solved the dimness issues of small tablets. We're talking 1,600 nits of peak brightness. The blanks are infinite. Colors are so vivid they look like they're painted on the glass. And yes, the rumor we've all been waiting for. Promotion is finally here. 120 Hz scrolling on the Mini makes the entire experience feel fluid, responsive, and premium. It's the iPad Pro Mini we've been begging for since 20.